What am I up to today? Well, I've put together a couple of these videos before. I don't know. People seem to like them for whatever reason. So I'm actually doing a bunch of sanding today. There's some projects that need to be done, and I help out with these projects, and it's making candle boxes. And it's something that's fun for me. I like playing with wood. I love the smell of the wood, the sawdust and all. So today we're actually going to be continuing on getting the rough sanding done on the boards that are going to be used. And I'm actually doing this to help my aunt. So yeah. So I figured why not? I'll put some music behind it, different from the music that I'm listening to, because there's not many channels that comes in around here. But let's go do some woodworking.